As you all know that today is Wednesday and the ICC rankings are out, and there are three major points of the ICC rankings which I'm going to walk you all through. Hello everyone, welcome to Rev Sports. I'm Srishti. So the first things first, this particular ICC ranking is mostly talked about because it's about the test matches, it's about the test rankings. So if we talk about the bowling first, you all know that Jasprit Bumrah was the number one test bowler till now, and he has been the number one since a lot of days back, since 2024. And now Mitchell Starc has replaced him, and currently Mitchell Starc has become the world number one test bowler. As we all remember what happened in the Australia versus Bangladesh series, and in the second test match versus Bangladesh, Mitchell Starc took 10 wickets. And again, after that, we all could see the results in the ICC rankings, as he is now the world number one test bowler, and Jasprit Bumrah has been shifted to number two. And the reason behind it is like he has missed this Sri Lanka series as well, and the reason behind it also a bit of his injury concerns which were there, and due to injury concerns only he had to miss a few series, and maybe that's why he has been shifted to number two now. And if we talk about batting, then in batting, captain Shubman Gill is holding his position in the number 8. He was there at the number 8 position, and he still is in the number 8 position, but Rishabh Pant has jumped 6 positions up. So currently Rishabh Pant is in the ranking number 7 in the world. Like in the tests, Rishabh Pant ranks number 7. And if we talk about our opener Yashasvi Jaiswal, earlier he was ranked number 9, but currently after a few series in which he was looking a bit off color, he has been dropped to number 11. So earlier he was in top 10, but now he has held the position number 11, and hopefully we all can expect him to bounce back and get into the particular top 10. But yes, still we would say that a bit of positive for Team India as far as test is concerned, because again there were a lot of talks and chatters regarding Rishabh Pant's form. After everyone watched the IPL, obviously everybody was talking about Rishabh's form, and everybody was talking about the shots he was playing and getting out on these shots. But irrespective of anything, he has already jumped a lot of positions. Currently he is at number 7, and Shubman Gill is at number 8. And a bit like kind of we can say unfortunate for Yashasvi Jaiswal that he got dropped 2 position. He is there at number 11, but yeah, we can hope for the best. And again, as far as the bowling is concerned, if Jasprit Bumrah was like playing this particular Sri Lanka series, then maybe things would have been different. But yeah, Mitchell Starc deserves that number 1 position because he has played well and he has done a good job. And again, you never know, Jasprit Bumrah, whenever he comes back, maybe we can see him back in the number 1 position. So that would be it from my side for this video. For more such updates, news and latest news, keep watching Rev Sports. Thank you so much for watching.